Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase notification sound in iPhone. First, open your iPhone Settings app. Then, tap on Sounds and Haptics to access the audio controls. You'll find a slider labeled Ringer and Alerts which directly controls your notification volume. Drag this slider to the right to make your alerts louder. This ensures your phone's primary notification sounds are at a comfortable level for you to hear clearly. To specifically adjust your notification volume, go into Settings and select Sounds and Haptics. Here, locate the Ringer and Alert slider. Moving this slider to the right will increase the volume for all incoming calls and notifications. This is the primary control for ensuring your alerts are audible, so make sure it's set to your preferred level. You can also use the physical volume buttons on the side of your iPhone. Press the volume up button to increase the sound. For these buttons to control your Ringer and Alert volume, ensure Change with Buttons is enabled under Sounds and Haptics in Settings. This gives you quick control over your notification volume without needing to dive into the Settings menu. If your notifications are still quiet, check Other Settings. Make sure Do Not Disturb mode is not active, as this silences alerts. Also, review individual app notification settings, as some apps have their own volume controls. Finally, if you're connected to Bluetooth devices, ensure the sound isn't routing there instead of your phone speakers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.